I'm going to the Hague. I'm going to the Hague. I'm going to the Hague. Yeah. I'm excited, but I don't know why. The Hague is supposed to be a boring city. I hope I'm proven wrong. That's what I've heard at least. I've never been there. This is my first time. I'm actually not going for clubbing, as you can see, because this is a day outfit. It's daytime. I'm gonna see the monuments. I don't know if there are any monuments, to be honest. I'm gonna have some lunch, walk around the city, maybe have some drinks and meet a friend. That's all I'm going to do. Alright, here I am. This is actually The Hague. Alright, I have no idea where I'm heading right now. I guess this is the central market or something. I mean, so far I haven't seen something, really exciting, to be honest. But, I keep an open mind. To the Hague again, but this time I'm going to the beach. I have been to the Hague beach before, but it was just at a party after midnight. It was a party, so I didn't get to see the whole beach completely. So this time I'm going to walk by the beach, see any attractions, if there are any. I have no idea, maybe chill at a beach bar or something. I have no idea, but I'm literally buzzing for it. Let's see the Hague beach. Right? The water is literally brown. I haven't seen more disgusting sea in my life. Why is the water brown? Where's the answer at? Maybe because it's in the Netherlands. I like that. Where's that? Oh, it's sad. Look at that. I think it has a symbolism or something like that. Like, is it enslaved or something? These are the beach bars, basically. They're cool. I mean, I like them. And the music was insane in another beach bar that I went the other time. And it was so cool. But there was a party or something. Oh, that's wow. Is it wow?
Die had dus de dag voordat ze
Wow.
had alle attributen opgezet in de tuin. Dus zeg maar gewoon echt.
Maar wat wij hebben
I think it's a fan.